In this video, I will be showing you how to enable the telemetry feature on your controller. The first thing you need to do is press Start and go into the settings. Under the Advanced Controls section, you'll see an option to switch between ANA, Telemetry, and TTS. By default, it will most likely be set to ANA. Here you can change it to Telemetry. If you do not have this option, I will show you how to access this in a second. Press down on the D-pad, and you can go through each page using left and right on the D-pad. Here's how to fix the issue if the telemetry feature is not available. Go to the Controls tab and select Change Input Mapping. For some reason, the option to change the telemetry is hidden if you are using a custom controller profile. At the top, you'll see Custom Controller Profile. You'll have to change the profile to a default layout. You'll have 16 different default profiles to select from. I personally use Default Layout 1. The option will still be hidden until you fully close the game and relaunch it. After the game is loaded back up, you can go back into the settings and switch from ANA to Telemetry in the Advanced Controls tab. Once Telemetry is enabled, you can now activate it by pressing down on the D-pad and using left and right to go through the menus. I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.